So find the area of the triangle with vertices A into bracket 1, 1 to 2, B into bracket 2, 3, 5, and C into bracket 1, 5, 5. Okay. So here this is a triangle here. Okay. In that case, you find here AB and AC here. Okay. Therefore, these are position vectors here. Suppose first you take A 1 and 2 here, and B into bracket 2, 3, 5, and C 1, 5, 5. Be the given points here. Be the given points. Then it's a position vectors are. It's a position vectors are OA. The vector OA is equal to I plus J plus 2K plus 2K. Then OB position vector of the point of here. So 2I plus 3J plus 5K. And a position vector of the point of C here. OC is equal to I plus 5J plus 5K. Okay, these are the position vectors of the points A, B and C. Then we find in AB the vector AB is equal to OB minus of OA. OB minus Y. Therefore, this is equal to the vector OB is 2I plus 3J plus 5K minus of the vector OA is I plus J plus 2K. I plus J plus 2K. OB minus OA. Therefore, 2I minus I becomes I. 3J minus J, it becomes plus 2J. 5K minus 2K becomes plus 3K. I plus 2J plus 3K. Next, find your AC. The vector AC is equal to OC minus OA. Okay, OC minus OA. OC is this vector here. So I plus 5J plus 5K minus of the vector OA is I plus J plus 2K. So this is equal to I and minus I cancels here. I and I cancel. 5J minus J becomes 4J plus 4J. 5K minus 2K becomes 3K plus 3K. So AB and AC here. Now you find it's a cross product here. AB cross AC. AB cross of AC. So this is equal to, so use this formula. Okay, if two vectors are in component form, then A bar cross B bar here. So AB and AC vectors are in component form here. So it's a cross product is I J K 1, 2, 3. So right here 1, 2 and 3. Then there is an item here 0, 4, 3. So 0, 4 and 3. So expand this determinant here. Yes, this equal to I into 2 3s are 6 here. 4 3s are 12. Minus of 0. 1 into 3 becomes 3. minus of 0 into 3 becomes 0 plus k into 1 into 4 becomes 4 minus of 0 into 2 becomes 0. So 6 minus 12 is minus of 6i minus j into 3 minus 3j plus 4k plus 4k. Then find its modulus here. So modulus of AB cross of AC. Modulus of AB cross AC is equal to root of minus 6 square here. Then plus minus 3 square plus 4 square here. So root of minus 6 square is 36 here plus minus 3 square is 9 here and 4 square is 16. Okay. Therefore root of 16 plus 9 25. 25 plus 36 here. 61. Root of 61 here. Square root of 61. Therefore area of the triangle here. Area of a triangle ABC is equal to 1 upon 2 into modulus of AB cross of AC. Therefore this is equal to, here modulus of AB cross AC is root 61. Therefore root 61 divided by 2 square units here. Okay, so you know area of the triangle here. Area of the triangle is 1 by 2 into modulus of A bar plus B bar here. Okay, consider this vector as A bar here and this one is. So find the area of the parallelogram whose adjacent sides are determined by the vectors A bar I minus j plus 3k. The vector B bar is 2i minus 7j plus k. It is a very important example here. So 5 times they asked there. March 15, July 16, March 17, July 18 and March 20. It is a 2 marks question here. Very important example. You know, area of the parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram is modulus of A bar plus B bar here. Here they already given the vectors here. Okay, A bar is equal to I minus j plus 3k and the vector B bar is 2i minus of 7j plus k. Okay, therefore find its cross product here. So A bar cross of the vector B bar is a determinant of so I, j and k. Then write here 1 minus 1 and plus 3. Then 2 minus 7 and plus 1 here. Okay. Now we expand this determinant here. So this is equal to I into minus 1 into 1 becomes minus 1 minus of minus 7 into 3 is minus 31 here. Sorry, 21. Minus minus plus 21. Then minus of j here. 1 into 1 becomes 1 minus 2 3 is 6 here. Then plus k into 1 into minus 7 is minus 7 minus of 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 minus minus plus 2 here. So 21 minus 1 becomes 20. So it is 20i. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. Minus into minus plus 5 there. Then minus 7 plus 2 is minus of 5k here. Then 5 common factor here. So write 5 outside here. Therefore 5 4s are 20. 4i plus j minus of k. Then find its modulus. So modulus of A bar cross of B bar is equal to 5 into root of 4 square plus 1 square plus minus 1 square here. Therefore, this equal to 5 into root of 4 square is 16 here. Then plus 1 hence 5 into root of 16 plus 2 gives 18 here. So 18 is 9 into 2 here means 3 root 2. So 5 into 3 root 2 here. 5 is 15 here. 15 root 2. Therefore, area of a parallelogram, area of a parallelogram is equal to 15 root 2 square units. Yes, 15 root 2 square units. This is the answer. So even here also find the area of the parallelogram whose adjacent sides are 3i plus j plus 4k and I minus of j plus k. Therefore, A bar plus B bar is right here I, j and k. 3, 1, 4. 1 minus 1, 1 here. 1 minus 1, 1. Then expand it here. So I into 1 into 1 becomes 1 minus of 4 into minus 1 is a minus 4. Minus minus plus 4 here. Then minus of j into 3 ones are 3. Minus of 1 into 4 becomes 4 here. Then plus k into 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 minus 1 into 1 becomes 1 here. 1 plus 4 is a 5, so it is a 5i. 3 minus 4 is a minus 1. Minus minus plus 1 into j. Minus 3 minus 1 is a minus of 4k. K minus 4k. Then find its modulus here. That is the root of 5 square plus 1 square plus minus 4 square here. That is the root of 5 square is 25. Then plus 1 square is 1 here. And 4 square is 16 here. Therefore 16 plus 1 is 17 plus 25. 7 plus 5 becomes 12. So 42 here. So that is a root of 42. So square root of 42. Therefore area of the parallelogram is root of 42 square units here. Okay, 4 times they asked here. March 14, July 14, July 17 and March 18 here. Even this is also very important example. Okay. Let the vectors A bar and B bar be such that modulus of A bar is 3, modulus of B bar is root 2 by 3 and A bar plus B bar is a unit vector. Then find angle between A bar and B bar here. Therefore, take your solution. Modulus of A bar is equal to 3 here. Modulus of B bar is root 2 divided by 3 and A bar plus B bar is a unit vector here. So modulus of A bar plus B bar is 1 here. They are already given here. And use this formula. Using this formula. So we know that sine of theta is equal to modulus of A bar plus B bar divided by modulus of A bar into modulus of B bar. Okay. Here modulus of A bar plus B bar is 1 here. Modulus of A bar is 3. Modulus of B bar is 2 divided by 3 here. Okay, and root 2. Here is root 2. Root 2 divided by 3. Okay. Then 3 cancels here. 3 and 3 cancels here. 1 divided by root of 2. So sin theta is 1 by root 2. Hence theta is equal to what here? 5 by 4, 45 degree. Okay, this is the answer. Okay. Here find lambda and mu if cross product of these vector is a null vector here. Okay. So using this formula a bar cross b bar is a modulus here. So modulus of I z and k then related to 6 and 27 write 1 lambda mu that is equal to the null vector here. Okay, expand it here. So I into 6 into mu becomes 6 mu minus of 27 lambda here. 27 lambda minus of z 2 into mu becomes 2 mu minus of 1 into 27 becomes 27 here plus k into 2 into lambda becomes 2 lambda minus of 1 into 6 becomes 6 here and it is a null vector here. So null vector can be written in this form here 0 I plus 0 z plus 0 k. Okay, this is a null vector here, can write like this here. Therefore comparing I j k coefficients. So this is a I coefficient here, right side I coefficient is a 0. So 6 into mu minus 27 lambda here is equal to 0. Take equation number 1 here. Then here j coefficient minus of 2 mu minus 27. 2 mu minus of 27 here is equal to 0. Take equation number 12. And here k coefficient is 2 lambda minus 6 here. 2 lambda minus 6 equal to k coefficient is 0. So write here 0. Take equation number 3. Take equation number 2 here from 2. Take this minus right side here. It becomes a 0 only. Yes, so 2 mu minus 27 is equal to 0. Take a 27 right hand side here. 2 mu is equal to 27. Take a 2 right hand side here. Therefore, the value of mu is 27 divided by 12. Okay. Take equation number 3 here. From 3. So from 3 here. Take minus 6 right hand side here. So 2 lambda is equal to 6. Therefore, take 2 right hand side here. 6 upon 2 becomes 3. So lambda is equal to 3. So lambda value is 3 and mu value 27 upon 2 here. You can verify whether answer correct or not here. Just use here. If it gives a 0, then answer is correct here. Okay. So verification here. This is not necessary here. Okay. But this is only for your reference here. Okay. Only for your reference. So therefore this equal to 6 into mu is this one 27 divided by 2 minus 27 into lambda value is a 3. So 2 ones are 2 threes are cancels here. So 3 into 27 minus of even 3 into 27, obviously it becomes what here? 0. Means answer is correct here. Okay. So given that a bar dot b bar is a 0 and a bar cross b bar is a null vector here, what can you conclude about the vectors a bar and b bar here? Okay. So you know that a bar dot of b bar is equal to modulus of a bar into modulus of b bar into cos of theta. The definition of a dot product here. Okay. Then squaring on both sides here. Okay. So a bar dot of b bar, it's a square here, is equal to modulus of a bar square into modulus of b bar square into cos square theta into cos square theta. So sometime here you can use a bracket, even you can use modulus also. Instead of taking a bracket, you can take a modulus also, modulus of a bar dot of b bar. It's a square here. Okay, you can use a modulus or simply take a bracket here. Both are same here because a modulus means what here? Always positive here, and already square is there. So square of any number gives a positive number only. Therefore, you can take modulus or bracket. Okay, choose any one here. Next, again, according to the definition of cross product here, a bar cross of b bar, its a modulus is equal to modulus of a bar into modulus of b bar into sine of theta. Okay, modulus of a bar plus b bar, squaring on both sides. Yes, a modulus of a bar cross of b bar, its a square is equal to modulus of a bar square into modulus of b bar square into sine square theta. So adding 1 and 2 here. Okay, so adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2 here. Yes, a bar dot to b bar, it's a square here, plus modulus of a bar cross of b bar, it's a square is equal to modulus of a bar square into modulus of b bar square into cos square theta plus modulus of a bar square into modulus of b bar square into sine square theta. Then in the right hand side, modulus of a bar square into modulus of b bar square common factor here. Modulus of a bar square into modulus of b bar square is a common factor. Hence, cos square theta plus sine square theta. And you know, sine square plus cos square is 1 here. Hence, modulus of a bar square into modulus of b bar square. This becomes 1 here. Okay. Hence, modulus a bar dot b bar square plus modulus a bar plus b bar whole square is modulus of a bar square into modulus of b bar square. So this is a formula here. Okay. In this example, we are using direct this formula. Okay. These steps are not necessary here. These steps are not necessary. Direct I am using this formula here. Okay. I am using this formula. Modulus of a bar dot b bar, it's a square plus modulus of a bar cross b bar here. Okay. So a bar cross of b bar, it's a square is equal to, okay, modulus of a bar square into modulus of b bar square here. I am using this formula. Here they are already given a bar dot b bar is a 0. So this becomes a 0. A bar cross b bar is a 0. This becomes a 0 is equal to modulus of a bar square into modulus of b bar square. Yes, 0 plus 0 is 0 itself here. Hence we can write here modulus of a bar into modulus of b bar is equal to 0. Take a square, right hand side here, sorry, left hand side, it becomes a 0 only. Therefore, square root of 0 is a 0 itself here. Hence, just take a square this side here, square root of 0 becomes a 0. Hence, modulus of a bar into modulus of b bar is 0. That is modulus of a bar is equal to 0 or modulus of B bar is equal to 0. Therefore, A bar is equal to the null vector, or B bar is the null vector. Modulus of A bar is 0 means A bar is null vector. Modulus of B bar is 0 means B bar is a null vector. So either A bar is a null vector or B bar is the null vector.